Here when we are going to calculate fixed end moment, here we can assume both the end, that means both the support are fixed support. That means in the problem whatever support they are give, but when we are going to calculate fixed end moment, when we are going to calculate fixed end moment, then you should visualize, you should imagine both the end are both the support are fixed support, and by that assumption we are using this formula and calculating the fixed end moment. See here, according to the load condition, the fixed end moment calculating formula will goes to change. See here, take first one. Here given UDL W. For calculating this, this span length is L and this support A and support B. Okay. Here for calculating fixed end moment AB is equal to minus WL square by 12. You should remember, for calculating AB we are using sign minus. For calculating BA for using sign plus. Okay. Only this sign is difference for calculating same span for span AB and span BA. The formula is, that means how we are going to calculate fixed end moment for span AB, minus WL square by 12. When this formula applying, when the UDL load is there, when the UDL load is there on the span, on the beam, at that time only we should use this formula, and you should remember and mug up these all the formula. This fixed end moment calculation is there in all the method, all the 5 module. This is very much required, so you should remember and mug up. Okay, you should write it in your notes and you can mug up it as it is the formula. In the problem you can directly use this formula and substitute the values and calculate the answer. Okay. Here W is the given UDL load and L is the span of the beam, and 12 you can calculate by using calculator. Here also same. Next, if the next take another one, another next one. Here, in case point load applying at the exact center of the beam, then what is the formula for calculating fixed end moment AB? Here minus WL by 8, and for calculating fixed end moment BA plus WL by 8. Okay. Here the span length is L, and here the point load is applying exact center, so this length is L by 2. Okay. But you should remember this formula. If the point load is there at exact center, what is the formula? Minus WL by 8, and for calculating for fixed end moment BA plus WL by 8. Next, if the point load is applying not exact center, the difference is there, that point load applying point. Okay, that is A and B. At that time formula will goes to change. You should use this formula, minus WAB square by L square, and for BA W plus WA square B divided by L square. Here difference is there, you should remember. Here AB square, here WA square B. Okay. Next, if this condition, triangle load or UVL load, uniformly varying load, UVL load, at this condition we are using minus WL square by 20